Welcome back to Swag Modern Machines, always up to date with the most advanced technology news and trends of all time. The Converse C10s are the top model in our self-propelled range. You can clean the entire profile at high speed, allowing optimal water flow without damaging the structure of the embankment. Look at its three arms doing their own job but completing a common job, which is to clear our embankment. The machine is equipped with 4 large round combs to help clean soil and grass in onion fields. The ability to work 4 rows at the same time helps your work get done faster. Let's see how well these rotating combs work. In this video, we'll talk about Aeravator. The Aeravator is an advanced aerator that offers significant advantages over conventional aerators. Most aerators simply puncture the ground or puncture and deposit material out, while Aeravator relies on vibration. Each spike assembly on the Aeravator has an eccentric mounting point to the spindle, so that as you drive along, each spike goes into the ground and then it swings side to side to create that vibration. McConnell offers a wide range of technologically advanced professional machinery for vegetation management and environmental protection that meets the modern performance and security requirements of the market. McConnell's professional machine line includes 6 robots with remote control tools, 5 self-propelled hydrostatic machines, and a number of specialized accessories to make handling plants much easier. To have beautiful flower gardens, you need regular care and pruning. This machine will be your great assistant. The era of technology and modern machines, agriculture is developing to a new level. Advanced science has developed a self-propelled almond and pistachio harvester capable of continuously harvesting up to 9 trees per minute with only 1 operator. This machine's nickname is the woodcutter. With the enormous power of its arm, it can easily knock down any tree. This rotary tiller is a great invention of agriculture. It's so amazing. This modern leaf cutter makes your job easy. Leaf cutting is quick and efficient, yielding questionable yields. Harvest grapes but have to pick bunches? This grape harvesting machine is sure to satisfy you. Finally, a super-saving machine. It works on solar energy. However, the capacity and efficiency brought us by surprise. We're seeing the tomato harvest near Union City. 2 pick-right tomato harvesters are pulled by a massey Ferguson tractor. After harvesting, these tomatoes are being transferred to red gold for processing. In the field, apart from the grain harvest, in the summer months other crops such as chickpeas are harvested in a completely different way from cereal crops. The process of farming to grow corn was very difficult for farmers in the past. Now they're using modern agricultural machinery, which has made all work faster and more efficient. Developed with commercial-ready features in mind, these spreaders provide ultimate functionality for immense efficiency in fertilizer application. From a genius idea of Emilio Petoni has created a record-breaking work that is a machine that sprays water and medicine for crops. The movement has been modified to include a number of components capable of performing and being suitable for extreme wet conditions. Did you see anything strange? They used a chain-driven machine instead of a tractor. What a great idea! This small self-propelled harvester with wheels is great for harvesting green leafy vegetables like rockets or spinach. If you have a vegetable garden, buy it and work. This machine is from John Deere, one of the world's leading manufacturers of modern agricultural machinery. I like such modern farming machines. Why do they have such modern machines? It's helped farmers a lot in the process of harvesting grapes. On average, the US wheat yield in recent years ranges from about 7 to 8 tons per hectare, and the total harvest of the US is about 50 million tons. To be able to harvest so much, American farmers use modern harvesting machines. American farmers use very few human resources. They have modern machines that help them a lot in the farming process. Here's a shot of the Noon Lagoon crawler churning out the manure lagoon at Convoy Dairy Farms in Convoy, Ohio. After the compaction is stirring, the fertilizer machine will work in the field. The process of farming to grow corn was very difficult for farmers in the past. Now, there are modern agricultural machinery, which has made all work faster and more efficient. It was a cultivator that helped him increase productivity and production efficiency. It can perform jobs faster and more accurately than humans, saving time and effort. He has a huge vegetable garden. Thanks to the machine, he was able to continue working as a farmer. Growing potatoes with the Kubota B1620. Such a way to grow is so interesting. This machine has been working for 8 years, but until now, it can still work well. The machine he uses is rudimentary, but the results are unexpected. Watermelon preliminary processing line has 2 lines. The capacity of the line reaches 20,000 fruits per hour. Recycling packing bench with automatic palletizing, strapping and management system for full cartons. Complete traceability system for incoming and outgoing goods. The capacity of the other tractor is about 500 horsepower. That's a huge level to be able to easily complete the ploughing quest. This feed builder has the versatility to handle both litter and feed bales with its 2-speed gearbox and multifunction grain chute. Capable of handling bales up to 5 feet wide and 6 feet in diameter quickly and efficiently. The way this machine moves to clean the grass is very eye-catching. This equipment does the job from harvesting to baling at the same time. Shredded crops can be harvested without loss when they're fed directly to the collector. The real carrot harvesting line makes us feel satisfied when witnessing the most modernity with our own eyes. It's great to be able to combine the harvester with the trailer to have a bountiful harvest of fruits and vegetables from the growers themselves. In just a few minutes, the harvested sugarcane is neatly placed in the field by the wonderful harvester. Wow, it's amazing how successful the farmers have been when using modern machines in agriculture. There's nothing better than working with accurate and efficient machines. Simply amazing. That's why modern machines are taking agriculture to the next level. Obtain the benefits of hand-picked quality with mechanical ease and reliability. What an impressive machine! GPS-guided mechanized farming in a super-intensive environment. A beautiful machine for apple harvesting. We'll have happy working days with the help of machines. This innovative machine was developed to reduce manual labor and handle each strawberry gently to avoid mechanical damage. With the onset of the new harvest season, prepare yourself for such powerful machines. Do you need help to make your harvesting job easier? 300 Lettuce Harvester can help you to harvest lettuce without much manual effort. The automated system, consisting of a single oscillating blade and a collection conveyor, is quick and easy to use. An innovative new product from New Holland. This harvester can help farmers harvest 10 times faster. We're seeing the tomato harvest near Union City. Two pick-right tomato harvesters are pulled by a Massey Ferguson tractor. After harvesting, these tomatoes are being transferred to red gold for processing. Tomato plants are started in greenhouses, then transplanted into the field and will be harvested in September to October. The tractor will work the soil first, then the tomato growing machine will work. The process of planting corn would be very difficult without machines. Corn sowing was performed using a John Deere 6155R and a 6-row Vadestad seeder. Its speed is 20 hectares in one day. Harvesting grass for fodder is an important activity in livestock farming. This grass is grown mainly for fodder, which can be supplied fresh to livestock or dried for later use. Wow, the gears of this machine are scary. Due to the special design, this machine is very efficient. This ploughing machine is equipped with a powerful engine to perform agricultural work. The engine uses diesel fuel and has high capacity, helping to improve working efficiency. John Deere 8RX tractors tore through snow-covered fields. Solid design and strong chassis to withstand heavy loads and pressures. This helps the machine work effectively on many types of terrain and ensures durability and stability during operation. The alfalfa field in front of our display is located north of Alva, Oklahoma. This farm is mowing alfalfa in their field. This alfalfa will be left to dry for a few days, then raked and baled. Next is another type of alfalfa mower. The farm is also chopping alfalfa with a John Deere 9800i self-propelled forage harvester with a Deere 649 pickup. Do you like to eat sweet corn? Watch a farmer pick and pack sweet corn near Columbiana to market. In the field, apart from the grain harvest in the summer months, other crops such as chickpeas are harvested in a completely different way from cereal crops. The Brewer Romax JD is a one-person operator that can easily step off the cutting line, drop pallets, and continue harvesting turf in the absence of a forklift. This one-operator grass harvester is simple and modern. It's capable of producing pallet after pallet of 50 cm to 100 cm molds, even in soft conditions. A simple robotic stacking system gently transfers 10 turf mats at a time to rear-mounted pallets for easy forklift transport. Nebo sprayers have 3 different sprayer models in our orchard. Model Alfred KB2000 is produced for young plants. Sensors activate the sprayer near plants to reduce waste. The sprayer operates on an oscillating mechanism, and you only need a small tractor to pull it to help save fuel. Our sprayers spray in both directions simultaneously to reduce soil compaction of the rows. Each nozzle can be adjusted independently. Pro Innov is proud to be able to help producers harvest berries and small fruits. The machine makes their harvest more efficient, reduces labor needs, and makes collection easier without reducing the quality of the fruit. The Pro Berry device is specifically designed to meet the needs of a wide range of farmers. Let's see how it works. Garford RoboCrop in-row weeder uses tried and tested RoboCrop video image analysis techniques to determine the position of each plant to mechanically remove weeds from alternating rows and, importantly, within rows, plants grown between trees. Developed for use with transplanted crops such as lettuce, cabbage, celery, etc. However, RoboCrop in-row can be used on most crops grown with regular row and plant spacing where one plant's foliage is clearly separated from the next. Converse C485 lawnmower boat in trimming and collection work. See firsthand how the bucket lift evacuates waste quickly and far across the shore. This high-performance Converse C485 multi-purpose boat with many advantages. Mowing lawns, cleaning, picking up trash. The C485 is the ideal boat for all waterside maintenance jobs. You may need one like this. Bosley silage corn silage harvester. It has a storage cage on top of the machine that resembles a backpack. After being cut and crushed, the corn will be sprayed into this container to be transported to the silage making process. With the TSA Combianta old rock burying machine, at the same time fertilization is carried out, soil lumps and coarse materials are buried, leaving a layer of fine soil on top. Hoses and mulch are placed, all to best prepare the soil for sowing or transplanting. Covering the top with a layer of plastic helps the soil retain moisture. California produces a large variety of important foods, including more than 400 different crops. California provides nearly 90% of America's domestic crop products, including fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. People in California using planting machinery can significantly increase agricultural productivity. It helps reduce the time needed for sowing seeds and ensures consistent plant spacing, creating a more vigorous set of plants. For example, 1 hectare of land can produce 4 to 8 tons of rice. Using planting machinery can optimize this yield. Irrigation of California's produce in the U.S. is an important part of the state's agriculture due to its arid climate and limited water availability. In 2015, California agriculture used about 34 million acre-feet of water, about 41.9 billion cubic meters, to irrigate crops, contributing about 80% of the state's total water needs. Farmers use advanced irrigation systems to optimize water use and ensure that crops receive the right amount of water. Some crops drain more water than others. For example, this rice crop consumes 2.5 times more water than other crops like walnuts and plums. California has the largest orange growing area in the United States. Every year, 300,000 acres, about 121,000 hectares, of farmland in California are used to grow oranges. This place produces more than 90% of total U.S. orange production. In a normal year, California oranges can have a product value of over $2 billion. California oranges can be harvested year-round thanks to the state's warm climate. However, the main harvesting season takes place from November to June. 1 hectare of orange growing land can produce from 20 to 40 tons of oranges per year. Orange harvesting machinery is used by farmers and harvests between 300 and 700 orange trees per hour. Using harvesting machinery reduces the need for labor compared to harvesting by hand. 1 machine can replace the work of 12 farmers. Barley is one of the main sources of revenue for California agriculture. The value of barley products in this state often reaches hundreds of millions of dollars annually. Each year, about 121,000 hectares of farmland in California is used to grow barley. California's barley yields can vary from season to season, but on average, California can produce hundreds of thousands of tons of barley each year. 1 hectare of barley land can produce 2 to 4 tons of barley. Farmers use machinery to harvest 0.5 to 3 hectares of barley every hour. Modern harvesting machinery ensures that barley is harvested at the best time to ensure quality and retain nutritional value. California has a significant potato growing area. Each year, about 60 to 70,000 acres are used to grow potatoes. California potatoes can be harvested year-round thanks to the state's warm climate. However, the main harvest season takes place from June to September. Potato harvesting is often done using agricultural machinery, including automated harvesters. This increases productivity and reduces labor from 1 to 3 hectares of potatoes per hour, 5 times more than manual harvesting. In 2019, the value of grape and related products reached more than $5 billion. The California grape harvest in the United States is an important part of the state's agriculture and an important contributor to the production of wine and many other food products. California produces more than 80% of the total U.S. wine production and has great product value. The main harvest season takes place from August to October. 1 hectare of vineyard land can produce from 8 to 20 tons of grapes. Grape harvesters harvest 0.5 to 2 hectares of grapes per hour, increasing efficiency and reducing losses compared to manual harvesting. If you're a cherry lover, then visit the cherry orchards of this state. There are 45,000 acres of agricultural land used for cherry cultivation and grow many different varieties, such as Bing cherries, yellow cherries, and many other varieties. The famous cherry growing region in California is the San Joaquin Valley. The harvest season here is from April to June. These cherries are very fresh, used to produce various products such as cherry juice, cherry jam, and even cherry wine. On average, California produces hundreds of thousands of tons of cherries each year, and to be able to harvest them all, farmers have to use machines to be able to harvest quickly. Have you seen how agricultural machinery has helped farmers a lot? California's U.S. vegetable harvest is a vital part of the state's agriculture and an important contributor to the nation's and world's food supply. California's vegetable and related products value exceeds $7 billion, one of the highest in the U.S. California vegetable yields can vary from season to season, depending on type and weather conditions. On average, California produces millions of tons of vegetables each year, which can be grown indoors or outdoors. In addition to Iowa and Nebraska, California has a sizable corn area in the U.S. of about 600,000 acres. California corn is used for a variety of purposes, from human food and animal feed to the production of ethanol, which forms the basis for products such as cornmeal and cornflakes. Corn harvesting is typically done using agricultural machinery, including harvesters and corn cutters, which can harvest 1 to 5 hectares of corn per hour. Mechanical harvesting is an important part of modern agriculture, helping to increase the productivity and profitability of California's agricultural industry. Plowing the soil at an average speed of 13 to 14 kilometers per hour and drilling later with rapid A at an average speed of 20 kilometers an hour gives us excellent plowing productivity. Hay harvest took place in 2020 with the Deutz Agritron K120 and Claas Liner 2600. Grass streaks during the second and final cutting of this year's hay season. "10 hectares per hour is the productivity that this sprayer can perform on this large field of ours. Today, we went out to sow barley. We sowed 10 hectares of barley today. Ernesto Cruz, an agricultural engineer known as the King of Corn in South America, introduces to a centrifugal spreader for agriculture with the ability to work efficiently and accurately. At a certain point of growth, the vines need to be weeded at the base to ensure final yield and quality. The silage spreader does what a conventional push blade can't and allows users to make the most of the space in the silo, as the hydraulic rotating head allows them to spread silage onto the walls of the silo. Hay collector and baler doing hay harvesting by the company Hofstetter Ackerbau Service AG. Modern machinery has assisted them a lot in this. Two Fendt 936 with Bassini 25 cubic meter transport bucks. The Fendt 724 with hose reel and long-range nozzle provided enough fertilizer for our large field. Fertilized cropland with a Fendt 930 Vario S4 machine with Samson PG2 31 mud tank. Please observe the development of machinery in agriculture. Every year, the United States harvests hundreds of millions of tons of wheat. The class Tucano 450 harvester is commonly employed for harvesting wheat, barley, and other crops. With a container capacity of around 7.5 cubic meters, it facilitates the storage of substantial wheat quantities, minimizing the need for frequent unloading stops. The harvest width ranges from 4.8 to 7.5 meters, ensuring efficient and rapid harvesting of a significant crop yield. In 2021, a groundbreaking robotic lawnmower emerged, revolutionizing the lawn mowing industry. A remote control device featuring an automatic leveling motor. It's specifically crafted for cutting grass in challenging conditions. Equipped with 4x4 wheels and a forestry cutting deck, this robot ensures top speed and agility in any environment. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more interesting information. The Nexat Revolution is the world's first integrated crop production system. It consolidates every stage of work that previously required many different types of agriculture equipment into a single system, with a powerful hub spread out. Format transporters, combined with interchangeable implements, are capable of performing tillage, crop protection, and harvesting tasks. Modules can be changed by a single person in as little as 10 minutes, and the process will be fully automated in the near future. The Nexat generators are currently powered by 2 diesel engines of 550 horsepower each, with independent electric drive systems integrating each module. Their weight is transmitted to the vehicle and optimized so that they essentially become autonomous devices. This enables the attachment to be driven more precisely and with less slippage, while significantly reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Droid FD-20 is the world's first autonomous robot capable of sitting and mechanically controlling weeds. This robot helps farmers and producers reduce repair and maintenance costs for turf grass, and do so in an environmentally sustainable way. The Droid FD-20 farm operates on solar energy and uses GPS to mark the location of crops when planted. It then performs mechanical weed control between and within the rows. 4 solar panels generate power for the battery pack, ensuring continuous operation for 24 hours a day without CO2 emissions.
Thanks for watching the video to the end. What was the most impressive moment for you? If you have any suggestions for us, please leave a comment down below. We welcome all suggestions and comments. It helps us to improve the next videos. So, all you need to do is click like, share and subscribe to update the latest videos from us. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon.